Hello everyone, welcome to VR Tales. We will be sharing our camping experience at Everglades National Park, Florida. We visited Everglades National Park in the month of December 2019. Everglades landscape is beautiful, mysterious and wild. There are several picnic areas, however we are camping at Flamingo. We have already set up camping tents and look at the surrounding. You can see some RVs parked over there. Scorching sunlight, humid weather, that's Sunshine State, Florida. Sunscreen and insect repellent is must if you're planning to camp here. Quick breakfast before we head to Flamingo Visitor Center. We are at Flamingo Marina. Kayaking and canoeing options are available here. We can bring our own kayak or canoe. Rentals are also available. 9 Mile Pond and Hells Bay are two trails for kayaking. Kayaking provides an opportunity to explore natural beauty of this park through freshwater marsh, mangrove forest and the open water of Florida Bay. There are even boat tours. Daily narrated excursions are best. Slowing down to admire blue-green water. And the scenic beauty. Here is a sneak peek of Everglades marine life. We can see manatees here. Scientific name of manatee is Trichechus. Look at there. Manatees are herbivorous marine mammals. Manatees are also known as sea cows. And also, manatee is Florida's state marine mammal. It's time to play Uno.
No, you have to pick color. Blue. I don't.
While soaking in sun, let's explore the surrounding. There is indeed an abundance of recreational activities, including houseboats, kayaking, fishing, hiking. It provides phenomenal views of largest subtropical wilderness in the nation. We are following Guy Bradley Trail. Guy Bradley was killed in 1905 while trying to protect a bird in Florida Bay. And Guy Bradley is America's first martyr to environmentalism. Guy Bradley Trail is a half-a-mile paved trail that leads from Flamingo Visitor Center to the campgrounds. It runs along the shores of Florida Bay and provides ocean views. Here and there we can spot some birds and butterflies. Posing time. Love this greenery. Wild berries. Wow, not at all getting tired of this view. Everglades' three ecosystems are grasslands, mangroves and cypress swamps. Mangroves? Look at their mastering stone skimming. Pretty conch shell. Stone skimming is successful. There goes alligator. We are at Flamingo's gift shop. They have some plushies, coffee mugs, plenty of souvenirs. Let's go camping. Love Santa. That's a cute little Christmas tree ornament. Earrings and some more tree hanging ornaments and fridge magnets. Indeed, it's a great outdoor experience. We are super excited to see meteor shower. We do not have any special equipments to capture meteor shower, but we'll try our level best. While yummiest food preparation has already started, the battle of master chefs. Nah, I didn't prepare anything, I'm just posing. We have grilled chicken and shrimps, grilled paneer and veggies, also grilled corn. While s'mores are definitely adding fun to this camp. So time for caroling as it's December.
Those reindeer had a really shiny nose, and
Stargazing with the help of an app. There is least amount of light pollution that makes this place perfect for stargazing.
Wishing upon a shooting star is my favorite thing to do.
It's midnight at 3 a.m.
To give wings to my crazy wish, I am jotting down my goals for 2020 while watching Meteor Shower. Here's a thing or two I learned about goal setting. Before setting goal, note down things that you are grateful for. I am writing down about the things I am grateful for that happened in 2019. Then start writing about your goals and visions, even without thinking how will it manifest. This is the first step to give right directions to your subconscious mind. Almost failed attempt to capture a shooting star, but indeed it was a splendid view. We are packing. On the way back, we'll be visiting fruit stand Robert is here. We learned that there are only 2 Everglades in the world. One is this one and another one is at Australia. How amazing. Robert is here at Homestead, Florida is truly a Disney world of fruit stands. Here we can find rare and exotic fruits and vegetables. We tried canistel or egg fruit milkshake and that was amazing. Honey tasting is going on. We loved key lime and mango flavored honey. In the year of 1959, Robert's dad set up a coffee table on the side of the road, loaded it with cucumbers, and erected a sign pointing in the direction of a small boy. Robert is here, said the sign. And at that time, Robert was 7-year-old. This place is a mini tourist destination with an animal farm, play area, and picnic table. It's a pretty cool experience. Goats, ducks, from geese, donkeys, birds, and emu. This place is perfect if you want to show your children about animals and farming. Look at the Super Sky Master. Bye-bye, emu. See you next time. We finished lunch and that's a wrap. Thank you, Everglades, for showing a glimpse of your beauty. We pledge to reduce our carbon footprint for your conservation. When we human beings learn from our past mistakes, understand and work towards present challenges, there is always hope, there is always future. We thank all our friends for making this camping experience as a cherished event. Thank you for watching VR Tales. Please like, share and subscribe to VR Tales.